Typhoon Marce is approaching land in Cagayan, Philippines, and is expected to get stronger. Typhoon Marce is a rapidly strengthening storm that is expected to make landfall soon in Santa Ana, Cagayan, with the potential to reach super typhoon strength. According to the latest update from PAGASA at 14 p.m. on November 7th, the center of the storm was last detected over the coastal waters of Santa Ana, Cagayan, with a characteristic maximum wind speed of 175 km per hour and gusts reaching 240 km per hour. Hurricane Marce is moving west-northwest at a speed of 10 km per hour and is predicted to bring severe weather conditions to most of northern Luzon. PAGASA has responded to this storm by raising Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 4 in the northern region of Cagayan, which includes the Babuyan Islands, the northern region of Apayao, and Ilocos Norte. These areas are predicted to experience strong winds, with the potential for significant damage to life and property. Signal number 3 has also been raised for Batangas, the rest of Cagayan, Apayao, Ilocos Norte, and parts of Abra and Ilocos Sur, with warnings of strong winds and moderate to significant threat to life and property. Meanwhile, other northern and central Luzon regions, such as Isabela, Kilinga, and Benguet, are under signal number 2, with forecasts of strong winds occurring. Signal number 1 also applies in additional areas, indicating the presence of strong winds.